The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday evening. Hope Hope everyone had a great day. We'll see what we can find this evening. Morning, Kevin, Burl, Speed Racer, and PJ. We'll see what we can get. Let's look at the markets from today. Today. Little Pennsylvania Dutch accent there. We came down, we came up, we came back down. There were good times, there were bad times. About a 50-point move downward. A little bit of bounce now. Copper mostly on a down note. Gold mostly on a down note. Ultra bond all wishy-washy. Crude definitely on a down note. And natural gas. There we go. Yeah, just hemming and hauling toward the bottom as well. Everything kind of down today. Bitcoin back under 23. Reaching around now. Denavetta. So we'll see what we can see. Oh, you know what? I need to switch over accounts. Well, maybe I should just stay on the Apex. And now I'll switch to I miss Shoe Fly Pie. Shoe Fly Pie and sweet lemon and bologna. Reggie, how you been, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while. People around here never heard of Shoe Fly Pie. So we're watching the ES. Now, you know what happens. You can see the market's been moving half decently, so as soon as the stream starts, it dies. Oh, Speed Racer, what you struggling with? What's going on? Sweet lemon and bologna. Some Diefenbach's chips. Scrapple. Could really go for some scrapple. So, of course, the market dies as soon as we start the stream. I want to know who's in charge at the CME. I want to write a strongly worded letter on this. And of course, a good authentic Philly cheesesteak would be awesome. Absolutely. Yep. I have a lot of plans for MightyOxTrading for different things. I just don't have the time. I need to get a website built. Need to get more going on social media, and I have like 20 different video ideas that I want to do. Yep. When I get back to PA, I will break my keto carnivore diet to have a good old cheesesteak. Ooh, wow. That would be nice. That would be nice. Still shooting to get back to PA sometime in the next year. Hey, no Kim yet tonight. Wonder where she's at. Maybe she's working and just hasn't said hello. So we are sideways. Sideways down a one-lane highway. Eh, one at a time, one thing at a time. Yeah, I mean, I would love to have that. I love to have, a crap load of accounts, but I gotta get consistent with the couple I have first and go from there. Right now I have the Apex and the Blue Sky evals, and I have the funded earn to trade that's in deep trouble that I need to figure out how to dig out or let die. Yep. Speed Racer, a lot of traders recommend journaling. A lot of good traders. Anything else? Doing anything fun? Doesn't look like it. Well, hey, FK. Thank you for that.
Hey, Kieran, how you doing, buddy? How's everything going? Haven't seen you around in a while. Good to see you. Sorry, didn't mean to yawn. Bet you guys are starting to get used to that. I really haven't been muting my yawns lately. You know what I should check? I should check the yen and the NKD. Yen's making a nice little decent move there. And let's get off orange juice and let's check the NKD. This weekend I'll check out thing. I will whatever I need to do. Um, um, chart. That's what I'm looking for. Chart everywhere. Ooh, that's not looking fun. Do we have any news tonight? That's a good question. I'm kind of like talking to myself here when I have a whole audience I could be talking to, but I'm just. Oh, anyway. Ew. In half an hour, and I don't know what this is, but in half an hour, the International Monetary Fund World Economic Outlook update. I have no idea whether that means anything or not. So sideways down a one-way street. I said that already. I need more. I need new material. We're about 2 minutes from the top of the hour. Our new associate sponsor is Blue Sky Trading. Newer prop firm. They've been around for about 5 months now, apparently. Their co-owner or whoever is on the Discord was answering some questions earlier tonight. Yeah, PJ, you'll see that the market's kind of dead this time of night, but there is still moves to be had. Right now, it's kind of dead. It'll often flash around tops of hours when the various Asia markets open. I believe at uh now I forget, an hour ago, which means 6 my time, 7 your time, Japan opened, and I believe now Singapore opens. I forget. But various Asian markets open at various times in the evening. And you can see some volatility. If you really want volatility, I was live streaming during an evening stream. It was, just kind of boring, and all of a sudden everything went wild as Russia started its invasion of Ukraine. That was an exciting night. Sure, we can make a poll. What do you want the poll to be? Top of the hour.
Alright, now we're starting to see some separation of the 20 and the 100. In other news, I just picked open a scab in my leg and I'm bleeding profusely. Somehow I've become a third gender. Hey, Sid. Okay, a poll I would need to like actually put in. It makes me put in like answers, and there's like way too many. It limits me to like 4 or 5 answers, bro. And there's like hundreds of indicators. Now we could find a place on the Discord for something like that, for where we might be able to expand something more. But that's beyond the limits of YouTube's poll. We're still doing nothing quickly. Let's go check if I can get myself to stop bleeding. The 6J. You see the yen, which I'm gonna start watching for nighttime trading. It's moving up kind of nicely. This is a nice little move. 7 ticks. Not nothing to write home about, but it's been a nice $50 move. Continue to watch the yen, and we'll check out the NKD, which still don't like it. If I go silent, you know I have died of blood loss. Yeah. Okay, give me a second while I try a clot. It only allows me 4 options, Burl. So let me do this. I'll put RSI and MACD together, and then we can, if eventually maybe we can do a poll RSI versus MACD if we need to. Well, for a fat guy, I sure have thin blood. It's from the supplements I take and my keto/carnivore diet.
Yeah, I just put the poll up. I have a paper towel stuck to my legs. I stopped bleeding. If it blows out the paper towel, then we know we're in trouble. So sitting here, we're not going anywhere. Look how close these Bollinger Bands are. They're literally only 5 ticks apart. PJ's like, what the heck are Bollinger Bands? He hasn't actually asked yet. If he asks, I'll explain. Dipping down a little bit. I think I'm eating too much fish. So, we are going nowhere. Isn't there a song about a road to nowhere? There used to be a road to nowhere in Berks County. Okay, so they're watching this, maybe starting to break toward the downside. Maybe. As I sit here in a puddle of my own blood. 27,415. Where are we at now? 27,455. Cool. What's crude doing? Ooh, what the heck happened on crude? Right at the top of the hour there, crude burst up 13 ticks, right back down 13 ticks, and started bleeding. Just like me. Up, bounce, up. It's technically a trigger candle. Sure, I like it. We're still very sideways. Very squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as a matter of fact. So as I started saying earlier, our new stream sponsor, Blue Sky, associate sponsor, basically, definitely has some good programs. No data fees once live at all. So those of you that are paying like $105 per exchange when you go live on certain programs, none of that with Blue Sky. And you get the ICE exchange and the Eurex exchange. ICE, known for its orange juice and coffee and cocoa and other softs. I have no idea what the Eurex has, obviously. I mean, honestly. I think it has a DAX, but I'm not sure. I have no idea what's on the Eurex exchange. Correct. What am I correct on? Uh, BJ, hit the live button. I think you're a little bit behind on the stream because I said about the Bollingers about 5 minutes ago. He's not going to hear that for 5 minutes if he's behind. Let me send him a message. PJ, tell me when you hit that live button and that you've heard me say this, what I just said. Did that make sense? I'm not even sure it made sense. Okay. Are you with me now, PJ? We should only have like a 3-second delay. Okay, so Bollinger Bands. Created by not Pat Bollinger, but John Bollinger. Sometime in the 90s. Um, basically uh, the concept is, okay. First of all, these yellow lines, they're two standard deviations from the 20 period simple moving average. 95% of all price action happens within the two standard deviation bands. The white bands are the third standard deviation. Supposedly 99% of all price action, happens within the third standard deviation bands. So the theory is, people that like to play with the bands, is that if it hits, this band, it's going to snap back toward the middle. Snap back toward the middle. So, but you can't always guarantee that the snapback's going to occur. As you can see, sometimes they grind down along the bands, especially as after a squeeze. Right now we're squeezing. We're very tight, and the tighter the squeeze and the longer the squeeze happens, the bigger the move that happens after the squeeze usually is how it works. Huron says NKD moving down. There's a, no, not his target yet, but yep, it's going. So right now, like I say, we're squeezing. You can see I have also have Bollinger Bands down here on the RSI. See how tight those are. And you can see, how big we were here, how far apart they were, and now how tight we are. So as they get tighter and tighter, you can expect usually can expect a bigger move to break the squeeze. That said, I don't use them that often. I used to rely on them more. I like to put things on. I mean, it's just the middle line is normally a 20 simple moving average. I just have the 20 exponential moving average plotted instead. It's only slightly different. And like I said, I don't use them that much. I really like to use like a fourth deviation band sometimes. If it hits the fourth deviation band, you're almost definitely snapping back. That's almost a guaranteed play. So we're starting to move down here. You see how it's riding these bands. You see it just hit that third band, that third standard deviation band, and look how it snapped back up. Some people play those kinds. I use them as a guide every now and then. A lot of times I don't have them on the charts because they make the chart look messy. Messy, messy, messy.
Everyone that was hanging on the edge of his seat should be happy to know the bleeding has stopped. I will survive. I will survive. Oh.
So a slight move down to 40.39. So it got down to 40.38.25 there, 40.38.37.25 there. Excellent. Oh yeah, nice move there, Kieran. Great call. Oops, see, now we're getting the move down. It's following the NKD. See if we can get that. There we go. See, nice move. Look at these bands expanding. Like a monster opening its jaws. Like a monster. Even give our monster an eye. So we got that nice move. There's just no indication that it wanted to go well. I mean, Kieran figured out NKD wanted to go, but I didn't see anything that told me ES wanted to go. But ES is hitting O session. Kind of hanging here. Good evening, John. We're hanging here at 40.37. How did your day end up today, John? Okay. 40.37. Ouch. Ouch on the algo, but 408 on the regular trading is excellent. Here's a nice move down. So you can see we moved down to we moved to the downside very nicely. We're now at low day or lowest session, sorry. Yep, I finished the day up. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the P&L. Yeah, that's why I finished the day up today. No trades tonight yet. 3 straight nice green days. Just taking the trades more confidently. NKD. Oops, NKD. Oh yeah, there's a nice move down on NKD. Yeah, it's my problems have always been the mental part of the game. I mean, I'm not sure if you heard me say it this morning, John, but I went back, like I went through the entire last week, over the weekend and plotted out every trade that fit my trading plan from 7:30 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern, and it would have been something like 160, 152 trades, 112 wins and 40 losses. So it would have been a net of something like 82 wins if I'd taken every trade. Yep. ES is all in trading right now. I'm still doubting myself on some of them and just let it pass. I mean, when I'm streaming, I'm always going to occasionally miss a setup because of things, I'm doing other things on the stream or whatever. And I miss quick reversals sometimes that send a trigger candle. And sometimes I just, I'm not confident enough in it, even though my it's showing me I should just take them and not worry about it. I mark them all off. As you can see, we're coming back down here, but I think I missed a couple here somewhere that I didn't mark off, but all the purple lines are winning, what would have been winning trades, and all the blue lines are what would have been losing trades. I think there probably should be a couple other lines in here somewhere, but you can see how many more purples there are than blue, and that's true. If you go back last week, and here and here, you can see that purple outdoes blue most of the time. Like so. Yeah, well. So we're down to 40.35. Yep, I just need to take the trades. I just need to take the trades. Wherever, I've kidded about people starting a drinking game in the morning whenever I say I should have taken that. Back up. It's weird how many different ways I tell myself not to trust myself. I convince myself my strategy is too easy. Nothing this easy should work, and things like that. Back up to the EMA. Nice little U shape. Yeah, I really like Bob Anderson. Matt LaRocco works very closely with Bob. He's often on the phone or Skype or something with him. Um, I haven't personally talked to Bob, but I watch his videos. He has a nice strategy. I don't use his strategy at all, but it seems decently easy, and I see the premise of it. And there's been times that I can notice what he would. I'm not using the same moving averages, but like a Bob Anderson trade might be something like right here. If we scroll in here, this made this move down. Keep moving move this out of the way. Your entry point up, and then you enter. Like when it starts coming back down, and take it for 5 points or however many points. And he has definitely has some success. Definite good success. Seems a nice guy. I hope some point in time we could talk to him. You know, maybe even do an interview for my channel. Whoa. Well, that's a. It just gained the everything back and got right back up here. So we just in 4 minutes just went from 40.35 up to 40.41. I was asking myself the same thing, Kieran. I see NKD did the same. Let's see if there's any news. Um, yeah, Matt reached out to him, and they've been talking for a while now. That's how I found out about Bob Anderson. Yeah, nice little move there. Oh, yeah, I was gonna check see if those news. That's right. That hit just as it's at that was I might have been news based. The International Monetary Fund said worldwide inflation would decline to 6.6% in 2023 and 4.3% in 2024 from 8.8% in 2022 due to reduced commodity prices and rate hikes decreasing demand. Whole bunch of stuff coming out from the IMF right now. And we're still rising up. High of session 40.44. Now, this was a trigger candle for me, but I was kind of deer in the headlights watching it go. So we'll mark it off and see if it would have gave me my two. See, that's the type of trades I miss. Yeah, John, sudden move up like that, I'm sitting here wondering why it happened instead of reacting to it happening. Blue Sky is a prop firm, Mystery Life. Been in business for about 5 months. They have some cool, unique features to them. Nope, John, it was not answering. I was just pointing something out. That's what I do all the time, and that's okay. No, I wouldn't have taken. I sat there with deer in the headlights. I was already back here watching this. It was just me deer in the headlights. It had nothing to do with answering your question, John. I do that when something suddenly happens. I sit there and quickly think, oh, there must be news. Something must be going on. Let's go find out what it is instead of, hey, I should take this trade. The Blue Sky offers absolutely no data fees once funded, and it's a live account. Blue Sky offers ICE and Eurex exchange assets. You wanted to trade cocoa or rice or frozen orange juice? You could. I really have no idea what's on the Eurex. I have to look. I know nothing about the Eurex. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. Pulling back now, so off that trigger, it would not have given me 2 so far. So we need to be a little bit careful now because IMF news is coming out. This week, yeah, non-farm payrolls on Friday, FOMC on Wednesday, John. No, not doing that anymore. At least not for now, John. So I can find, until this provides a steady source of income, or I get a paying stream sponsor or some other source of income. I can't do the I can't do the long hour streams anymore because I gotta focus on income from my normal ways. It'll bounce. Eh. Oh, I mean, yeah, I didn't mind doing it. I enjoy doing them, but hopefully I can start making money from it, and then that'll loosen up my schedule again. close the loop on DWW. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, yeah, that place that you were talking about. No, you did not. Yeah, now I remember. How did it end up? Day trade the world. Yeah. I'm assuming you're not trading with them since you didn't really, since you're saying how it ended up. Well, nice. Still trying to push up here. So what does that mean? A position for? Oh, you would have to pay them $500, or what? What do you mean? And what do you get out of that? And NKD still trying here. What's the yen? Nice move. That would have been a good move to take right there. Let's blow that up. Like the Unabomber. Yeah, not that great of a move actually. Only 7 ticks. 8 ticks. We're hanging at 40.41. Oh yeah, that's not bad. As long as the training and coaching's worth it, absolutely. We are going nowhere fast. Nowhere fast. Are we both flagging? There's the flagpole. Is this going to be a move upwards? So far, that's an help. Do it in April then, John, or? Yeah, that is a challenge. say, I mean, I guess the question is it, how much more can you get out of it potentially going with them than just continuing to do it on your own? I mean, is it a big difference or is it just a marginal difference? Coming down a little bit. Oh, they're got decent reviews on Trustpilot. Although they do have some questions on Trustpilot. Like Ontario residents can't trade with them for some reason. No, I just this review says DTTW claims hundreds of trading offices around the world, but not a single mention of where they are. Uh, Spam marketing plus legacy of Swift plus some issues with other regulator. Why Ontario residents can't trade? Something does not add up 100%. That was just posted 2 days ago. I mean, I don't know. It's Trustpilot, so I mean, I don't know anything, about the people that are posting. I'm trying to find see if there's anything else while we have like nothing to do. I mean, I don't know. We're squeezing a little bit here. I think it wants to maybe come down. Right now, you can see the bands right there. Oh, they used to go by the name of Swift Trade. This posting a link here for you, John. You might want to check that out. See what you think. Gold falling back. Oh, gold falling back. Look at that beautiful move there, but hit that band. I think that's a third band there. Yeah, I know, bro, and that's why I went looking for other stuff besides Trustpilot. And here's the move down, possibly with ES. Hits that band. Bands are bending. We got band benders. Watching here. I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm gonna go short here. I just got a feeling, a probably stupid feeling, but hey, risking 100. Let's find my software. There it is. Yep, looks like I was stupid. We'll see. If it gets back above, oops, there it goes. Yeah, let's see if it bounces off the moving average or not. Yeah, I saw that, and I was wondering about that. Sitting right on that 100 EMA. Needed to break. Down a tick. Yeah. I am in at 40.39.75. You're very welcome, John. There we go. There we go. Into that third band, though. I'm going to take it there. It's only 3 ticks. But tonight is being so slow. I think I'm happy with 3 ticks. It went as much as 5 ticks. We'll see if I chickened out. But taking the 37 and well after commissions $33, I'm happy. Thank you, Kieran. Hey, Crypticon. Yeah, John, that's a whole bunch of red flags, John. A whole bunch. Ho bunch. No, whole bunch. The whole bunch. How's it going, Crypt? Anyone hasn't hit that like button yet, I'll appreciate it if you did. We don't have a big crowd here tonight, but that's okay. Could I interest you in some orange juice, playa? Or how about some coffee? NKD again. NKD? Yep. Kind of bear flagging. You think it's coming down there, Kieran? We'll watch. Doge up over 9 cents. Nice. Happy where I got out there with ES on that trade. I think it might come back down right here, but that popping back up to where it popped up at would have caused me heart palpitations. Yeah, okay, I can see your point there. Saved you all from a sneeze of doom. No snot went flying through the mic. There's a bounce off the moving average again. I kind of still feel like we're coming down, but we're definitely not coming down with any velocity. Velocity falling.
Not afraid of falling, but the velocity is not there. I don't know. Now I'm making up songs. It's getting worse. Yep, really, really cold, John. They went at wind chills in the negatives. I've only ever watched the first 3 movies, John. I've never watched any others. First 3 movies, which were oddly number 4, 5, and 6. Never watched anything else with Star Wars. See what NKD is doing? A little bit moved down, but it's very slow. What's the yen doing? The yen gave an entry there. Also gave an entry there. Both of those have been like $50 moves. Not bad, not horrible. I gotta chart out the yen sometime, see if there's anything I want to trade in the evenings. I've seen all 8 Harry Potter movies. And we're going nowhere. Nowhere fast. Copper did about the same move that gold did. Almost synchronized trading there.
Yeah, we're luckily escaping the ice. I've seen that areas of Texas and Oklahoma and a couple other states could be getting days worth of ice. We got a little bit of snow this morning, but other than that, our weather's supposed to be clear. Yeah, right now it's 15 degrees with a wind chill of 3. That's Fahrenheit. I'm one of those weird people that don't really like the sun. I could live in a cave. No, I don't think so, Burl. Yep. Could nap. Wake me when the market does something. See you tomorrow, Burl. Have a good night. John assumes everybody golfs. Meanwhile, me, I have never golfed. I did do a driving range once, and I played miniature golf twice. And now we're trying to pop back up here a little bit. Maybe a last ditch effort before we come back down. We shall see what we shall see.
We're going nowhere fast, so we can kiss my patootie. You can say anything in the chat. It won't cause. Oh, it's the only time I will cause trouble if I say something that shouldn't be said. That sounds interesting, crypto player. Oh, rise up. This is the rise up before the fall. Did hit that third band. Did hit that third band. Sorry, I'm not sure. I might have been muted. Mic was up a little bit. Everybody's watching movies tonight. Have a great night, Sid. See you tomorrow. I mean, I could have put a movie on up in the corner. Never fired a gun. Probably would shoot my other foot off. You know, my problem is, John, even though I do the keto carnivore diet, which is all meat, I could never kill something, ever. I mean, well, unless it was self-defense. But, I mean, I couldn't do it. I can do it in video games, but I couldn't do it, like, real. Morning, Borneo. How are you today? Thank everyone for joining me on this rather slow night. Taking one trade, got 3 ticks, we're up $33. If we get anything else, we'll probably stream for another.
Somewhere between half an hour and an hour. We'll see if anything picks up. If you haven't hit that like button, then you're going to enjoy the stream, or you are enjoying the stream, or whatever. Appreciate if you do. No pressure. And just to be clear, I was not in any way criticizing anyone that does hunt. It's just not something I could do. Good night, Kevin. Don't talk so much next time, Kevin. Evan, seriously, have a good night, bud. Back down to the EMA. 20 EMA. 100's right below it. See if it bounces or breaks. So far, it bounces. Let's see what NKD's doing. Yep, NKD popped back up. Bounce. Went up a 3 ticks. No, yeah, 3 ticks. We're hanging here, hanging. What's crude doing? See what crude's doing. Ooh, that's an ugly looking chart. We'll go back to ES, thank you. Yeah, NQ's just as slow right now. Yeah, pull back. starting to get a little spotty now. You see some space between the candles. We've lost all volume here. I have a feeling that one win's going to be all we get tonight, but we'll see. Things can surprise. Oh, there's a quick dip. Uh, nice, John. I mean, at least you know that you're valuable, though. That's a nice offer, you know. Hey, hey, John. Speaking of golf and all that, John, it's about 2 months until April 1st. How's that arm feeling? Still on pace for that tee time, I feel like? I don't like those odds, John. So we're watching this here. I'm ready to go short here. I kind of think we're coming down, but it's tight, so I'm watching. Wow. Fill it with a dead man's bone. The volume got totally sucked out of the market. We're only doing 20 some contracts a candle right now. So this got filled on a short. I'm gonna give it only 1 point space. I don't like 50%. I don't even like it in a win rate. 1 point by 1 point here. I'm not sure I'm gonna get any more though. Let's see. Well, maybe. Not filling me. Set by target, but not filling me. Hit my target twice and didn't fill me. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Look at that. There we go. Now it filled me. So he's got a win of a point. With 2 wins tonight. We're up 79.50. Thank you, Kira. Yeah, going well. Just started this account this morning. We're already up $351.50.
My guess, John, that Jake made a very, very mini golf course. Still trying to come down. Still trying to work its way down, so he could have held it, but I didn't. So if action doesn't pick up here, we're gonna probably cut it at the top of the hour. Oh yeah, we could have got 2 points out of that move. Well, gosh darn. Pushing down the 40-37 half. Uh, have a great night, John. We'll talk to you in the morning. So we're just kind of watching this fall now. Popping back up, little bounce. Just watching. Not sure we're gonna get another opportunity tonight, but we'll see. Did take 2 trades. Each one was a win, but for small wins, 1 point and 3 ticks. Everyone got so quiet. Kinda. It's associate sponsor, I would call it. They gave me a free eval and a couple other things. Not a full sponsorship, but it's a good company. I like them. Not going anywhere right now. Now hanging out. Bouncing off the ZMA. Oh, that's awesome, Jake. Great job. How's the whole drop shipping thing going? Nice. Awesome. Now, how much is that Shopify if you decide to keep it? Pulling back down, bouncing off the EMA. 20 EMA. Trade Golf. Welcome, Trade Golf. Long NQ. Well, go check out NQ. They're doing something different than ES. Yeah, I need a site for MightyOxTrading, but I have no web building skills. NQ. What are you seeing that I'm not seeing, Trade Golf? I should have played this move here. Oh, big move down. Biggest candle we've seen in a while. Alright, that makes sense. Alright, sounds like a good strategy. Seeing a little bit of a movement here. See if there's any type of a catalyst or if someone just woke somebody up. Not that I see. Hang in here, 40.37. Just hang in here. Trying to come back down a little further. But just kind of stalling here. Stalling. Low a day, our lowest session for 40.35 half. We opened at our low at 430, 40.37.25. Let's see what we get. It's pushing down, but not able to get through 37. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. And right now we've been nowhere in the last 5 minutes. Back up to the EMA, touched it with its nose. But we ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Over the rainbow. I don't know. Don't judge me. Trying to come right back down. Upside down, you turn me. Bearish engulfing back down. And bearish engulfing might have led to something. See if it continues down. And see if I should have taken it. Some boring price action tonight, but we did get two with small wins, which is better than nothing. Continuing to try and grind, but can't get through. You can see it's hit 40, 36, 75, like 6 different times. Just sitting there. We'll stream for another 5 minutes or so and see what happens. Just sitting here, not going anywhere. I'm curious to see if we see a breakdown here. Seems like it wants to. Yeah, we are toward the low of the RSI. But this is like watching paint dry. Right back down. Hey Lennox, how you doing? Yup. Blue Sky, the new sponsor. Kind of sponsor. They're not like they're just paying an eval with an eval, but I'll take it. So I don't think we're gonna go anywhere else tonight. Doesn't look like it really wants to go anywhere. So I think we're gonna call it here for tonight. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Remember, we do this every Monday night. Hopefully next Monday night. Hopefully I start seeing some more volatility in the evenings. Hope everyone has a good rest of your night, and maybe he'll see you tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everyone, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.